Za. What is this? Za. And
Ra.
without any dot, what letter? Without
Without any dots.
this one.
Ra.
It's without any dot. It's Ra. What is this? Ra. What?
Ra.
Where? In which color? Ra in which color?
Red.
Yeah. And in black color?
It's Za.
How many dots on Ra?
Uh,
On Ra. How many dots?
0.
And on Za?
It is 1 dot.
One dot on the Za. Okay. You don't stop. Repeat it with looking. Without looking is not allowed. Stay looking on lesson during reading.
Ra. 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 Yeah. Ra. 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 Ya. Ra. Ra.
Ra
Ra.
and Za. Bath read.
Ra and za. 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 Ra and za.
Okay,
Ra
say Salaam Alaikum and goodbye. Say Assalamu Alaikum.